It's your girl, Lalaslim. Am I your girl? Me? Am I really your girl? Make eye contact with me so I know if you're lying. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, what was it again? The bun with no gel. The sleep down bun. Just keep watching.
Do that thing with your eyes. Money, look. Let me see them lips.
You're going to want to split your hair into two. We're going to clip one side up so that we can have them in two separate sections in order to detangle. We're going to be using our spray bottle so that we can prep the hair by spraying it before we try to detangle it. I didn't properly blend my makeup. You guys, just pretend it's not there. We're going to be twisting the hair and pinning it up so that we can move on to the next side. The only way we're going to be able to get a sleek bun is if we properly detangle our hair. now we've left this on for a couple minutes. Let's check it out to see what it's looking like right now. So this is the finishing look. I have a little bit of flyaways, but it could have been worse. You know, could have been looking crazy. It's not looking that crazy. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, comment, and share. You know, share. This probably can help somebody. Have a good day. See you guys.
Eyes, lips, space, wait. Who you